Are you looking to upgrade your workshop with a reliable bandsaw? In this video, we'll walk you through 5 of the top-rated bandsaws available on Amazon in 2025. Let's start with a great entry-level option, the WEN 9-inch benchtop band saw Model BA3959. Priced at just over $180, this saw is perfect for beginners and hobbyists working in smaller spaces. It features a 2.8 amp motor and a 9-inch throat capacity, offering enough power for softwoods and light hardwood. The adjustable blade guard, tilting work table, and compact footprint make it an excellent choice for DIYers and those with limited workshop space. Reviewers consistently praise its value for money, especially for light-duty projects, though it may not be the best choice for resawing thicker stock. Next on the list is a step up in both power and mobility, the Milwaukee Bandsaw. This cordless model is built for metalworkers and professionals who need a tough, reliable tool they can take anywhere. At around $270, it offers excellent portability without sacrificing cutting capacity. Its ergonomic design reduces fatigue, and the variable speed trigger gives users more control over cuts. With a rugged construction and a durable blade guide system, this saw stands up well to daily job site use. It's a top pick for those working on metal pipe, conduit, or even rebar on construction sites. If you're already in the DeWalt ecosystem, the DeWalt 20-volt Max XR bandsaw, model DCS378B, is a natural choice. This cordless unit is built with a brushless motor, offering longer runtime and reduced maintenance. With a 3 3/8-inch cutting capacity, it's ideal for electricians, plumbers, and maintenance crews who regularly deal with metal cuts. The saw includes an integrated hang hook for convenient storage, and DeWalt's solid battery platform means you can swap batteries with other tools in your lineup. At around $245, it's a dependable mid-range option that blends performance and portability. Now, if you're looking for versatility at a budget-friendly price, take a look at the LAVEVE portable bandsaw with alloy steel base. This model is priced at just over $160 and offers some serious features for the money. It comes with a powerful motor, variable speed control, and a maximum cutting capacity of 5 inches. What sets it apart is its removable base, which allows you to use it as either a benchtop or portable tool. This flexibility is ideal for contractors and woodworkers who need a multi-purpose saw that doesn't break the bank. While it may not have the refined feel of premium brands, it's well reviewed for light to moderate workloads and provides great bang for your buck. Last but not least, we have the WEN 10-inch 2-speed bandsaw, model 3962T, a highly rated tool that's ideal for more serious woodwork. With a 3.5 amp motor and a spacious 14 by 12-inch work table, this bandsaw is built for cutting larger stock with ease. It features 2 cutting speeds, 1520 and 2620 feet per minute, giving you flexibility based on the material and desired finish. It also includes a sturdy stand and a built-in work light for better visibility. At around $315, it's one of the more affordable full-size bandsaws with professional-grade performance. The user feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with many noting its smooth operation, clean cuts, and value for money. Whichever model you choose, investing in a quality bandsaw will elevate your precision work, reduce waste, and make cutting smoother and more enjoyable. Happy cutting, and be sure to subscribe for more tool reviews and workshop tips.